Removing a lock position switch with cable. Remove the top cover. Use the key to unlock the node covers and then remove the key. And then turn the node over so that the top side faces up. Press and hold the release button on the top cover and then slide the cover toward the rear of the node to remove it. Remove the PMB air baffle. Pinch the blue touch points on the air baffle and then lift it out of the server. Disengage the riser assembly from the node. Loosen the 2 thumb screws at the front of the riser assembly. Loosen the 3 screws at the sides of the node. Loosen the 3 captive screws on the top of the riser assembly. Lift the riser assembly from the node. Remove the processor air baffle. Gently pinch the air baffle as shown and then lift it out of the server. For the configuration with drive backplanes installed, disconnect the power cable from backplane 1. Disconnect the cables from the system board and then remove the riser assembly from the node. Remove the power module board. Loosen the screw that secures the SMA filler. Lift the SMA filler to remove it. To ensure you have sufficient room for this task, place the signal cable that connects the front operator panel and rear operator panel outside of the chassis. Disconnect the PMB LED cable from the power module board. Unfasten the 3 screws that secure the power module board. To remove the power module board, pinch the pull tapes to lift the power module board slightly, and then pinch the edge of the power module board and lift it up to disengage it from the chassis. Disconnect all the cables from the power module board and then remove it from the chassis. Unfasten the screw that secures the PIB module. Carefully pinch and hold the connector of the RJ45 UART cable and then push the PIB module outwards to remove it from the chassis. Loosen the screw that secures the system security key lock. Have the bottom side of the node facing up. Remove the bottom cover. Pinch the edge of the key lock bracket and then lift the bracket and remove the system security key lock from the chassis. Disconnect the lock position switch cable from the I/O module board. Loosen the screw that secures the lock position switch and then remove the switch from the chassis.